Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Ring app is installed on your primary device, and every camera has power and updated firmware. Once done, make sure your router broadcasts a stable 4 GHz network because many cameras prefer it. 4 GHz offers better range. You should record each camera's serial or MAC for quick identification during setup. This saves time and prevents confusion later. Now open the Ring app and sign into the account you will use to group devices. You add the cameras one at a time through device's right arrow Add Device in the Ring app. Select the correct camera type to trigger the guided pairing steps. As you connect, enter the Wi-Fi password exactly and watch for LED or app confirmation to ensure each camera is truly online. Once connected, name each camera with a location-specific label so you can create groups and automations later. If multiple cameras are visible, naming prevents accidental configuration of the wrong unit. You finish by creating groups or scenes in the Ring app so multiple cameras behave together for alerts and recording. Then test, open live view, trigger motion, and confirm synchronized notifications and recording behavior so you know the group works. If something goes wrong, reboot the camera and router first, then verify the camera is on 4 GHz with adequate signal. Make sure the Ring app shows the correct device name. If persistent issues occur, remove and re-add the problem camera to refresh its cloud link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.